Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Holden Captiva 5. Stock reference 4424. This shape runs from the 11th month 2009 through to the 2nd month 2011. It has a 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand rear. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, chrome radiator grille, tidy front bump cover, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear door 2 small dents, right front door 1 small dent, right power door mirror, and a right front guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, manual handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.